everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your reasoning class, and that is your analytical reasoning we will discuss here. And this is your class 203rd class, and 212th class में हमने बहुत सारे topic discuss already कर लिए हैं. And on the same basis, if I am going ahead, and that we have to start with non-verbal reasoning, and that is your analytical reasoning, which is not exceeded. So we'll complete this here itself, and in the next coming class we'll start with a mirror image as well. That is another topic of non-verbal reasoning. In terms of verbal reasoning, if I am going ahead, that has been divided into two parts. As I told you about, the reasoning has been divided into two parts, which is your verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. The verbal reasoning, which we had covered up, the verbal reasoning has been divided into two parts, which is general mental ability and the logic reasoning. In the general mental ability, we had completed the analogy, classification, series completion, coding, decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number ranking in time sequence test, mathematical operations, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reason, situation reaction test, and verification of the truth of the statement as well. After that, we had started with logic reasoning, which is just another part, another section of verbal reasoning. That is, we had completed logic, statement argument, statement assumption, statement cause of action, statement conclusion, deriving conclusion from passages, theme detections, question statement, mysterious logical puzzles as well. After that, if I'm going ahead, that we had talked about it as a non-verbal reasoning, where we had completed the series, where we had completed more than 1000 questions, then analogy 500 questions, classification that we had done more near about 500 questions, analytical reasoning that we have to start with the 27th question, and hopefully we will end up with more than 50 questions here. Let's go ahead to start with the question. So here we go ahead with a 28th question of the session, that even though we have to discuss about it, and which is also an important questions here, so that we will do it. So here, for the same sake, if I'm going ahead, the question we have, how many squares and triangles the triangles are there in the following figures. So आपको बताना है कितने squares and कितने triangles हैं इस figure में. As you can see, this is a figure here, and the options for this we have here is your, that is 7 or 8, and 8 comma 18, 8 comma 15, and 7 comma 17 as well, and that has been asked here and the competition paper as well. So for that sake, we will be doing a solution here, and on the same behalf of it, we'll have to go ahead as I told you, and going ahead, and then we'll have to find out as well. So we're in the same case here, the figure that can be labeled as, we have to label it out here, and on the basis of the labeling, that we'll go ahead for the ABC here. This is being the tip one is your A, B, this is being C, this is being D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, then we have L, and that is your L here, then we have this midpoint is your M, N, then we have N, after N we have O, then we have P, then we have here, this is your P, this is your Q, this is your R, this is your S, and this is your T. This is being labeled. So determinations of numbers of squares, if I'm going ahead, as you can see, the squares having two components each is your R, E, Q, O, and G, R, O, P, that is 2. Squares having three components each is your O, Q, E, M, and O, M, O, D, P, that is 2. Squares having 4 components each, that is your S, T, N, L, and H, I, J, K, that is 2. So D, E, F, G is the only square having a 10 components. So for that, we have here is, for the squares, if I'm going ahead, so there are 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is equals to 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 7. So that is 7 squares we have. Okay, for the another one, determination of the number of the triangles, if I'm going ahead, so on the same cases, the simplest triangle we have here is your ALM, ANM, HIO, IOJ, JOK, HOK, QFC, NEQ, BPG, and DLP, that is your 8, and triangles having 2 components each, that is your we have that are ALN, HIJ, IJK, JKH and IKH, that is 5. Triangles having 3 components each, that are APO and AQO, and that is 2. So triangles having 6 components each, which we have is your ABR and ARC, that is 2 here. And on the same cases, the ABC is the only triangle having a 12 components. So the total numbers of the triangles, if I'm going ahead on the figure here, is your 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, and that is equals to 18. So 7 squares and 18 triangles are there in this figure. Now we'll go ahead with other question, which is your 29th question of the sessions here. That is, how many triangles are there in the following figure? इस figure में कितने आपके triangles हैं, that you have to find out. This is a figure here. This has been asked in your IAS examination paper, and that is also an important paper respect towards competition wise. The options for this we have is your 9, 10, 11 and 12. And this is a figure, as you can see. On the same cases here, we'll first label it out, and that we have is your, this, the tip one is your A, this is B, C, this is mid one is your D, E, and this is F, that has been labeled here. And on the same cases for the labeling, after labeling it out, we have to find out the number of triangles that we have to talk about it. And on the same cases, that the simplest triangles are AFE, EFC, CFD, BFD and ABF, which is 5. The triangles having 2 components are AFC, CFB, ABD and BAE is your 4, and the triangles having a 3 components are ADC and EBC is your 2. Triangles having the components of ABC is 1. So the total number of triangles in the figure that we have here is your 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 12. So 4 plus 9, 9 plus 2 is your 11 plus 1, 12. So there are 12 triangles in all, total numbers of triangles that we have here. Now we'll go ahead with other question, that what we have to talk about it, which is another one is your count the numbers of triangles in the figures given below. We have to find out the total numbers of triangles here. We have to count it down and just name it out as well. So the figure we have is, as you can see here, this is a figure, and in this, that is the options for this we have 11, 13, 15 and 17, and for the same sake we have to solve it out as well. And among these, that the figure may be labeled as, first we have to label it out, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. So here that the simplest triangle is AIK, AIL, EKOD, FLB, CDJ, CBJ, CDH and CBG, that is 8. The triangles composed of here, that is here the composed of 2 components that are your ADJ and ABJ, and that is AKL and BCD as well, that is 4. The triangle composed of 3 components are ADC, ACB, which is your 2. The only triangles composed of 4 components is that we have is your ADB, and that will be having. And after that we'll talk about it. So there are 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is equals to 15. So we have the 15 triangles here in the figure. Now we'll go ahead with other one, which is the 31st question of the sessions as well, that even though we have to talk about it. The question here, the maximum number of squares in the following figure is, this has been asked in your railway examination paper, and the options for this is 14, 13, 10 and 9. And on the same cases we will be going ahead and we just label it out as well. This has been the important question that has been asked in your railway, and for that the option is 14, 13, 10 and 9. So let's go ahead, just label it out. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P here. So in the simplest squares are A, B, F, E, B, C, G, F, C, D, H, G, E, F, J, I, F, J, K, J and G, H, L, K, I, J, N, M, J, K, O, N and K, L, P, O, that is 9. So we'll just name it as 9 here. Then the square composed of 4 components are ACKI, BD, LJ and EFOM and FHPN, that is plus 4. There is only one square in A, that is your ADPM, which is composed of 9 components here, and that we have to talk about it. So here that is your plus 1, and that is equals to 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 14. So 14 squares in the figure here. Now we'll talk about the another question, that is your find the number of triangles in the following figure. We have to find the number of triangles here. The figure, as you can see here, that we have to even though label it out, but for that we have an options here, which is 28, 32, 36 and 40. And the figure we have, as you can see here, this has been the figure here as well, and according to the figure we have to answer it out as well. So yes, that is also important when you are going ahead, when we are solving it out figure as well. So on the same cases, first we label it out here. This is your A, B, C, D, then we have E and F, G and H, I and J, K and L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Okay, so these we have. So simplest triangle in the figure are AML, LRK, KWD, DWJ, JXI, IYC, CYH, HTG, GOB, BOF, FIN, FNE and EMA, and that is your 12. So we'll just write it down, 12 plus the triangles having a 2 components each is your ALE, KDJ, HIC and BFG, so that is 4 plus triangles having 3 components each APK, LUD, DUI, JVC, CVG, HQB, BQE and that is your FPA, which is your 8. Another we have the triangles having 6 components each, which is ASD, DSC, BSC, BSA, AFK, LDI, JCB, JCG and BEH, that is 8 plus that is your the triangles having a 12 components each is your ADC, BDC, ABC, BAD, that is your 4. So the total number of triangle we have 12 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 is your 36. That will be having a 36 triangles in this figure respectively. We'll go ahead with further one which we have to talk about it, which is the 33rd question of the sessions as well, and that is also an important one. The how many triangles and parallelograms are there in the following figure. आपको बताना है कितने number of triangles and parallelogram है इस figure में, as you can see the figure here as well. The options we have 21, 17, 19, 13, 21, 15 and 19, 17. So we'll have to label it out as well. So that is being A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then we have H, I, J, K, and then we have here K. After K, that is your L, and this is your M here, and this is your N, and this is your O. So on that same cases, the triangles, if I'm going ahead for the triangles here, that the simplest triangle is ILJ, IJN, MJK, OJK, ABL, BCM, GNF and FOE, that is your 8. Triangle composed of the components which we have here is the another one is your triangle that has been the triangle composed of the 2 components are AHJ, CJD, LJN, MOK, GHJ, JEJD, that is your 6. So 8 plus 6, and that is the triangle composed of 3 components are BIK and FIK, that is plus 2. And then triangles composed of the 4 components is AGJ and CDE, that is your 2. So the triangle we have the only triangle composed of the 6 component is BFK, so that is the 1. So it is 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is equals to 19 triangles in the figure. Now we'll talk about the parallelogram as well. So on the basis of the parallelogram here, that the simplest parallelogram BLJM and FNJO, that is your 2. Then we have the parallelogram composed of two components are ABIH plus HIFG and CBKD and DEFK, that is 4 plus 4. Then we have the parallelogram composed of three components are ABKJ, GFKG, BCJI and IJEF, that is 4. So that is again 4. Then we have here that the only parallelogram composed of the four component is your 1, that is 1 ABFG. The parallelogram composed of the 5 components is AC, DJ, GE, DJ, AC, JH and HJ, EG, that is your 4. Then we have the only parallelogram composed of the 6 component is your BCEF 1, and the only parallelogram composed of the 10 components is also 1, that is ACEG 1. So it is 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 and plus 1 again. So that is we have here, and that we will be having an answer is your 17 parallelograms in the figure that we have as an answer. Now we'll go ahead with another question is your how many square does the following figure contain. ये इसमें आपके कितने squares इस figures में contain करते हैं, that you have to answer it out, and that is also an important one, and that this has been the important question as well. This has been asked in your hotel management question paper, which is also an important paper respect towards competition wise if I'm going ahead. On the same basis, the options for this is 18, 19, 25 and 27 here. So we'll just label it out at first and then we'll solve it out further. We'll just go ahead for the labeling, that is your A, B, C, D. Then we have your E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Then we take as B dash and A dash, B1 and A1 as well here as well, so that you will go ahead. It is your B1 and A1 here. Okay, so this is respectively here. So on the same cases, these the simplest squares EF, RQ and RN, SZ and QRZY and MQYX and LXWY, WX, K and XYB and W, B1W and YZ, A1, B1 and ZST, A1 and SGHT, that is A1, TOU, B1, A1, UV and WB1VP and VUIJ. That is the number of triangle we have squares here. The simplest square is that is your 13. Then plus the squares having two components each are is your A, E, Y, L, B, F, Z, H, Z, G, H, A1, I, C and KB1, JD, that is your 4. Plus the squares having 4 components each are X, Z, U, P here, Y, S, O, V, Q, N, T, B1 and M, R, A1, W, that is your 4. Plus the squares having 7 components are is your AP, AF, A1K, EB, H, B1, LZ, ID, YG, CJ, that is your 4 here. And the only square having 9 components is MNOP, so that is 1 here. So ABCD is the only square having the 17 components as well, so that is we have 17 components here as well. So on the same cases we will just add in on, and that these were the components that we have here in the squares, and all total of how many square does the following figure contain. It is that. Now we'll go ahead further, we will discuss moreover the another questions, and that is also an important one here, and even though that we have to solve it out as well. So let's go ahead for that as well. And on the same cases, as you can see here, this is the another question, that is your how many triangles are there in the figure given below. You have to find out the triangle number of triangles that are given here below, and this has been also the important question, and that as the options we have is your 21, 23, 25th and 27 here. So just we'll label it out here that we have is your A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, we have a Q, R, S, that we have to talk about it. So now we'll go ahead, and that is, as you can see, as we had labeled here, and according to that, the simplest triangle are ABL, BCD, DEF, FGP, PGH, HIQ, IJQ, and JKR and KLR, and that is your, we have 9, so we'll just name it as 9. And then we have class. So the triangle composed of two components are OGS, SGQ, SPI, SRI, KSQ, KSM, FGH, HIJ, and JKL. So that we have 9. So again we'll add on plus here 9. The only triangle composed of 4 components is KSG, so the 1. Plus triangle composed of 5 components are CGM, INE, INA, KOC, that is 4. Plus triangle composed of 6 components, that are GMK and KOJ, that is your 2. Then the only triangle composed of the 10 component is AEI, and that the only triangle composed of 11 component is CKJ. So that is then the 1 plus 1. That the total number of the triangles in the figure we have is your 9 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So that is 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 19, 20, 21, 21 plus 4 is 25, 25 plus 26, 27. So we have as an answer is your 27 triangles we have formed here. The total number of the triangles that has been formed in this figure here. Now we'll go ahead with other question that is also a very important question here. On the same case that we have to go ahead as well. So on the same behalf of it, that the question we have is how many triangles and squares are there in the given figure. So on the given figure you have to find out the how many triangles and squares are there. So on the same cases that we have, this has been the important question which has been asked in the railway examination paper, and this has been the figure here. Before labeling it out, we'll have an options here for that, and that the options we have is your 44 triangles and 10 squares, and that is your 40 triangles and 16 squares, 24 triangles and 6 squares, and 24 triangles and 9 squares. So let's go ahead for the solution for this as well, so that we'll get to know that that are we right or not here, so that we have to go ahead. And the same case for before starting with it, as I told you, in these type of a question we just label it out the figure, so that we get to know that how many squares and how many triangles has been named as, and so we can just call it by its name as well. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and then we have here is your O. The center will be the O here. So on the same case, the determination of the number of triangles, if I'm going ahead for the triangles here, So that the simplest triangles are AEAIF, AIFO, IEO, AIE, and then we have here FBJ, BJB, BJG, and JGO, FGO, FJO, GKC, HKC, HOK, GOK, OLH, LDH, ELD, ELO, and that is we will count it down, and that we have is just 16. Plus, the triangles having a two simple triangles, each are AFE, EDH, HCG, FBG, EOH, HOG, GOF, EOF, AEO, BOG, BOF, AOF, DOE, DOH, GOC, and HOC. That is also 16. So we'll have 16 here. One more. The triangles having a four simple triangles, each are AOD, DOC, COB, BOA, FEH, EGH, GFH, and EFG. That is your 8. So we'll add it on 8. Plus, the triangles having 8 simple triangles each, which is we have ADC, DVC, ABC, BAD, which is 4. So we'll add it on 4. The total number of the triangles in the figure we have 16 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4. So 16 plus 16 is 32, 32 plus 8 is 40, and 40 plus 4, that is 44. So the answer we'll get is your 44 triangles here. Okay, we'll talk about triangles. The another, we have to find out determination of the number of squares here inside in it. So on the same case, the squares containing the two triangles each, so that is GJOK, JOIF, IOLE, and LOKH that we have, which is your 4. That we named as 4. The another, we have the squares containing 4 triangles each are BFOG, and that is your AFOE, EOHD, and GOHC, that is also 4. So we'll add plus 4. EFGH is the only square containing 8 triangles, so that is 1. And then again we have ABCD is the only square that has containing the 16 triangles, is also 1. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 9, plus 1 10. So that is the answer we can get is your 10 squares here. Now we'll go ahead with another one, is your another question, and that, as you can see here, which is your count the number of triangles and squares in the given figure given below. Here we have to count the number of squares here and as well as the triangles. The figure, as you can see here, this is B, and the options for this is 26 triangles, 5 squares, 26 triangles, 6 squares, 27 triangles, 6 squares, and 27 triangles, 5 squares as well. And that even though we have to consider about it, even though we have to answer it out as well. So which all are important question respectively. So we have to solve for that, and even though we have to find it out as well. So on the same cases, we'll just go ahead for the labeling here first, then we'll do it. The labeling for this we have is your A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and this is O that we centered as. Okay, this has been labeled. So among these, the triangles we have to find out, the squares we have to find out for this, and that what we even though go ahead as well, and that even though we have to solve it out for that. So for this we will have to go ahead, and on the same cases if I'm going ahead, and that we have even though we had named it out. So on the same, the triangles we talk about, the simplest triangles are ABJ, BCK, CDK, DEF, BOJ, BOK, KOD, DOF, OFG, HOG, and then we have your HIO and JOI. That is, we have 12 for the triangles. Plus, the triangle composed of two components are BCD, ABO, ODE, and BOI, BOD, DOG, and GOI. That is the 7. Plus, triangle composed of four components is ACO, COE, DIG, BIG, BID, BDJ, BG, that is your 6. Another is the only triangle composed of 8 components, ACE plus 1. And thus there are 12 plus 7 plus 6 plus 1 is equals to, that is 12 plus 7 is 19 plus 1 20 plus 6, that is 26. So 26 triangles in the given figure. We'll talk about squares here. On the same case, the square is composed of two components is KDFO, FOHG, JOHI, BKOJ, that is your 4 plus. So here we go ahead and that what we have to talk about it. On the same case for the squares here, that we have to go ahead, and on the same cases that we have to talk about later, and that is also an important one. With the same cases for the squares here, the squares composed of the two components is KDFO, FOHG and GOHI, BKCH, that as we had represented here for here. The only square composed of the 4 component which is BCDO, that is the 1, plus the only square composed of the 8 component is BDGI, and that is 1, plus. So that is your so that we have to go ahead, and that is your 4 plus 1, then 4, 5, and 5 plus 1 is your 6, that is your 6 squares in the figure that has been present here. Now we'll go ahead further, and that what we have to talk about it, which is the another question, and that is the question we have is your 38th question of the session, and even though that we have to talk about it. So here that is the question is count the squares in the figures given below. So that is this here we have to count the squares here in the given below. So on the same cases, the options for this we have is your 11 and 24, 21, 26. So that we go ahead, and even though that we have to talk about it as well. So on the same cases, we'll just name it out first. That is your A, B, C, D and E. Then we have here which is your F, G, H, I, J, K, L that we have. On the same case, then we'll enter in it, and that is we have M, N, O, P, and then we have here which is your Q, R, S. Then again we have here which is the after S we have T, U, V and W here. So on the same cases for this respectively, that the squares composed of two triangles each, and that is your the BMCN, and that is LMQT, and as well as that is your TQUJ and RNQU, and then NCOR, URVI, ODPS, and PFWS, and SM, that is your HV, and that we have in count is your 10. Though that will go ahead with the 10, that we have the number of squares we have to find out. The other is the squares composed of the 4 triangles such as ABQL, BCRQ, and CDSR, and of course then we have your DEFS, SFGH, and that is RSHI, QRIJ, and LQJK, that is your we have 8, so plus 8. Then we have that the square composed of 8 triangles each is your, that is LBRJ, and that is your QCSI and RDFH, and that we have is your 3. And then again we have here the squares composed of the 16 triangles each is your, that is ACIK and BDHU and CEGI, that is your 3 here as well. So which is your 10 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3, and that is equals to 24. So that is 24 squares in this triangle here. We'll go ahead with another one, that is your 39 question of the session here, and that we have to talk about it. The question is how many triangles are there in the figure given below. This is the figure, and that what we have to find out, that how many triangles are there. In that the options we will get is your that is your 16, 19, 18 and 20. So just we'll label it out and we'll find it out as well. So on the same cases we just go ahead, as I told you, to label it out, and that is also an important one, which is your A, B, C, D and that is E and F, which is your G, H, I, J, that is we have I, J, K here as well, and that we have to find out for this. And on the same cases, the simplest triangle GIJ and HGJ and BIC, EFH and CDK and DEK, that we have as your 6 plus. The another we have the triangle composed of two components that are ABJ, AJF, GHI and GKC and GKE and CDE that we have, and then we have a plus 6 as well. Triangle composed of three components are, that is your DFJ and DBJ, that is your plus 2. Then again we have here, which is the triangle composed of four components ABF and GCE, which is plus 2. Again we have triangle composed of five components AFD and ABD, that is your plus 2. And then again that we have this is the only triangle of FBD, which is composed of the 6 component, that is 1. Then we have here that is your thus there are 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is equals to 6 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19 triangles in the given figure. Okay, so that we have as an answer as well. Now we'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, which is your the 40th question of the session that we have to talk about it. Let's go ahead with 40th question of the session, that how many squares does the following figure have. This is a figure, as you can see the options for this we have 22 and 20, 18 and 16, so that we have to find out as well. On the same cases for this, we'll just first label it out as well, and that we have to go ahead, and which is this is something you can say that this isn't something which is a complex figure. We'll label it out as A, B, C, then D, again we have your E, F, G and H, then we have your I here, which is we have to talk about it, which is I, J, K, L, M, N, O and P. Then we have Q here, that is your Q, R, S, T, and that is your after T we have your U, which is your U, V, W, X, then we have your Y, Z, and then we have here is your, then again we start with A dash and B dash here as well, B1, A1, and then of course this is the mid one is just Z dash that we talk about it. So here that the squares having two components each are BR, Z dash S, CS, Z dash T, DT, Z dash Q, and AQ, that is AO, Z dash R, that is we have number of, which is your 4 plus. The another we have is the squares having three components each are FBZC, that is GCZD and HDZA and EAZB, that is your 4 again. The another we have the squares having a 4 components each, that is AP, OD and DNMC, BCLK and BJIA, that is again 4. Then another we have here, which is your that the squares having a 7 components each are UVSQ, WXTR, YZQS and A1B1RT, that is your 4. Then again ABDC is the only square having a 8 component, that is 1. Then again EFGH is the only square having a 12 component, that is again plus 1. So we will be having is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, so 4 at 8, 16, 20, 21 and 22 here. But on the same cases that in there are, we can say that which we have is your 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus the 12, 12 plus 16, 17 and 18, so that we have 18 squares here. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 12, 12, 16 plus 1, 17 plus 1, 18, that is 18 squares are there in the whole figure here. Now we'll go ahead with another one, and that what we have to talk about it, which is the another questions here, and that is also a very important question in reference towards it, and that is also an important one here. So let's go ahead for that, and that what we have to talk about it, the another question here for the session. That is your 41st question of the sessions that we have to talk about it. And the 41st question of the session is, what is the minimum number of straight lines that is needed to construct the figure here on this behalf of it, and that we have which is your named as a figure. This is the study the following figure to be answered. We have to answer it out that till these three questions here as well. So on the same basis we have to answer it out. Let's go ahead to do that. This is the figure for this. The first part we have here, which is your that what is the minimum number of straight lines that is needed to construct this figure. So that we have to kind of count down, and that the options we have is 11, 13, 15 and 21. And for that same sake we have to solve it out, and on the same cases the first will label it out so that we get to know about it. This is your A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, so this we have. Straight lines are horizontal. If you go ahead, that is AE, JF, that is your 2. We'll just add in on. The vertical line is AJ, CH and EF, that is 3. Then slanting line is JI, AJ, BF, DE, AB, DJ, EI, FQ, that is FG, that is your 8. So that we have 2 plus 3 plus 8, so 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. So 13 straight lines is required to make this figure here. Now we'll talk about the another questions here, that is the count the number of triangles in the figure. Number of triangles ko count karna hai. The options we have 12, 16, 20 and 24. So according to that, if I'm going ahead, so here that the simplest triangles are which they are forming here is your ABC, CDE, ACK, AKJ, HJK, CKH, CLH, HLF, LEF, OLE, HIG and FGH, and that is we have 12 plus. The triangle composed of the two components are AJH, CJH, ACH, ACG and CHF, HEF, CEF and CEH. So that is we have 8. Then that is your equals to 12 plus 8 is equals to 20. That will be the right answer for this question as well. 43rd question of the session is, how many square does the figure contain? इसमें squares कितने contain करते हैं? For the options we have 5, 6, 7 and 8. On the same cases, square composed of the two component is ABCK, CDEL, CLHK, HIJK and of course FGHL, that is your 5, plus square composed of 4 squares, that is ACHJ and CEFH, that is your 2, which is 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. So 7 squares in a figure here. We'll go ahead with other question that we have is your 45th question of the session that we have to talk about it. Count the number of the triangles and parallelogram in the figure given below. We have to count the number of triangles and parallelograms in the figure here. For this we have a figure as you can see, and the options for this is 16, 17, 25th and 27 here. For that we have to talk about it, even though we have to find out. Let's go ahead for the labeling here, and that we'll find it out as well. So here we have is your A, B, C, D, E. Then we have F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. That we have labeled it out. The simplest squares are A, B, G, F, B, C, H, G, C, D, I, H, D, E, F, J, I, F, G, L, K, G, H, M, L, H, I, N, M, L, I, J, O, N, K, L, Q, P, L, M, R, Q, M, N, S, R, N, O, T, S, P, Q, V, U, Q, R, W, V, R, S, X, W and S, T, Y, X here. So that we have is your 12, sorry, that we have 16. The square composed of four simple squares that we have is your SAS, AC, MK, BD, NL, CE, OM, FH, RP, GIS, Q, H, JTR, KMW, LN, XV, and MOYM is the last, that is 9. The square composed of the 9 simple squares is ADSP, BTQFI, XU, and GJYN, that is 4. AEYU is the only square composed of 16 simple squares, so plus 1. So there are 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, so it's 16 plus 4 is 20, 29 plus 1 10, so 20 plus 10 is your 30. So there are 30 squares we have. Now we'll go ahead with another question, that is your 45th question of the sessions as well, that we have to talk about it. Count the number of the triangles and parallelograms. We have to now count the number of triangles and parallelogram here in the given below here, the figure that we have. For that, for the options for these particular questions we have as well, and that even though we have to talk about it, which is the options we have is 1622, 1816, and 1420, and 1521 as well. So for that we will just label it out: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, that we have. So here the triangles, if I'm talking about, the simplest triangles are ABL, BCD, LMB, MNB, NDB, DNE, HIM, HNG, that is we have 8 for that triangles. Then we will have the triangle composed of the 3 components are LJ, H, and DHF, that is 2. Then the triangle composed of the 4 components are AKN, CME, HLD, BIJ, that is G is your 4. Then again the triangles composed of 8 components are AJ, G, and CIF, that is 2. So here that is 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, so that is we have here is your 8 plus 2 10 plus 4 plus 2 6, that is 16 triangles in a figure. Then again we have a parallelogram for that, and that for the parallelogram, the simple parallelograms, that is we have KMIG and NEFG, so that is we have parallelogram 2. We just write it down here. Then we have your that is the parallelogram composed of the 2 components are ABNL, BCDN, BNHM, LBNM, and then BDEN, MNGH, LBMK, BDNM, and MNHI, that is your 9. So we'll add 9. Then we have here the parallelogram composed of 3 components are LBIJ, BDFG, KNHJ, and MEFH, that is your 4. We'll add on 4. Then we have the parallelograms composed of 4 components are ANHJ, LBGH, BDHI, LDNK, and LDEM as your 5, that is your plus 5. And that we have the parallelogram composed of the 7 components are LDHG and LDFH, which is 2. So then we'll add in on 2. So we'll add in on here, that is 2 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 here. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 4 is your 11, 11 plus 9 is 20, 20 plus 2 is your 22. So we have 22 parallelograms here. So that will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll be going ahead further, and that what we have to talk about it, that is the another question here. The question is the 46th question of the sessions as well, that even though we have to talk about it, and that we have as follows. So here we'll end up with, and that is we had completed the sociology fully, and that we had started with software engineering, where we had completed unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, and as well as respectively we had started with the quantitative aptitude, that is your arithmetical ability. We had done your the operations on numbers, SCM and SCF of numbers, decimal fraction and simplification as well. After that we had done your chemistry of class 12, which is your that is the solid state. We had completed the solution, we have completed, and even though we had started with the electrochemistry, that has been important for the competition as well as for academic as well. We'll end up with here for the verbal reasoning, which we had covered up, that is the general mental ability. We had covered up the analogy, classification, series completion, coding, decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test. After that, number ranking, time sequence test, mathematical operation, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reasons, situation reaction test, and verification of the truth of the statement as well. After that, we had started with logic reasoning, where we had covered up the logic, statement argument, statement assumption, statement course of action, statement conclusion, deriving conclusion from passages, theme detection, question statement, and miscellaneous logical puzzles here. After that, in non-verbal reasoning, we had completed more than 1,000 questions for the series, and that is your analogy of 500 question, classification here about 500 questions here as well. After that, we had started with analytical reasoning. Here we had completed your 46 questions here, 45th question of the sessions as well, and we'll continue with the next coming class. After that, after completing this, we'll start discussing about mirror image, water image, embedded figure, and completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice, sort situation, constructions of squares and triangles, figure malformation and analysis, and practice question set as well. That is also important for you all. So first of all, it's a huge request from my side to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So thank you, thanks for appreciation, and thanks for liking and subscribing our channel.